Welcome children to your English class. Here I am going to start a very essential tool of dissemination of information that is used to reach out to others and influence their minds and taste. It is none other than poster designing. Let's learn. Before proceeding forward, let's know what exactly the poster is. A poster is usually a large printed sheet designed to be attached to a wall or a vertical surface. It includes both text and picture. It can be either of them. But here we are going to concentrate only on the text part of the posters. Let's know. The purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about the current issues or needs, or to advertise something, or to extend the public invitations, or sometimes used as a political propaganda, and sometimes used to display the notices. But we must remember the posters are designed to appeal the readers. Now we will start learning how to design a poster. So we have to take care about some elements to design the poster. The main elements of the poster include three parts. First is its layout. That means how does your poster look like. Second is the content part. That means what should be the theme, or that means what should be inside your poster. Third is expression. That means which language you have to follow and what should be the word limit. Let's learn all these elements one by one here. While working on the poster designing, you must remember the first thing is that the text of your poster should not only speak or tell, but the expressions should be mainly through the visuals or the graphics, so that the readers should easily understand the things which is displayed through the poster. While preparing the layout of your poster, first thing is to remember it should be visually attractive. Second thing, the title of your poster, it should be suggestive and catchy one. Third point, to create the visual appeal in your poster, follow the point of making the clear arrangement of the graphics, tags, colors, fonts neatly and clearly in your posters. You can go with the stylish font, or you can draw the double line if you don't know how to draw the stylish font in your posters. And for showing the different images or creating the effect, you can use the different modes of thinking image like cloud, bubbles, or something like that. Or you can draw the pencil sketchings and drawings in your posters. Don't generalize the statements in the poster. Try to write short and precise forms and make short sentences. Next point is avoid use of the passive forms. The next point, don't begin or end the sentence with the prepositions. Next point, avoid use of consonant sounds repeatedly in a sentence. That means don't use alliteration while making the. Next is the use of persuasive language in your posters. Omit anything that is not essential. Even avoid using the examples. Next, you will ask what tense we have to follow in the poster designing. Generally, we use present or future tense in the posters. Must remember, your poster should convey the message clearly. Don't forget to keep the proportional spacing between the words so that it should be readable from the distance. The content part of the poster is very important. It includes the information like what is the message or the theme of your poster. Secondly, it includes all the description related with the theme. Next, all the essential details like date, time, venue if it is about some event. So it should be clearly covered in the poster. The last important part of your content is providing the name of the issuing authority. So you have to use the same assumed name that is mentioned in the question paper in your poster. So use that assumed name of the issuing authority and give the closing to your poster. Expression is equally important part in the poster designing. After framing the layout in your mind and knowing its content, without expression, your poster designing would be waste. First of all, keep in mind the target, that means your theme, and also the category of the audience who are going to read and view your poster and its message. Use phrases, not the long sentences. Also include jingles, slogans, and persuasive language to make it more appealing. You should try to use stylish or the bold font in the text of your poster. Even you can go with the cursive handwriting and darken the shade with the pencil. Try to draw the pictures like clouds, dialogues, bubbles to convey the message in your poster. Must highlight the title or the lines which you want to focus upon. So for this, you have to draw either zigzag lines, or you can darken that portion, or you can write in the box. You can show your creativity in terms of content and design. So use your full potential to draw the pictures like clouds, dialogues, bubbles to express the thoughts or the message. Even you can draw star, sun, moon, pencil box. So use intelligently those images and convey the message. Next is the use of appropriate and accurate language in your posters. It should be error free. When you see any poster or hoarding in the market, you laugh at the grammatical errors, whether it would be of any language. You have to be very particular about the structure, as it is surely going to affect your marks. So be very vigilant. Above all, must take care. Everything should be systematic and in sequence in your poster. Next is to observe the word limit. It should be within 50 words. As you know, the poster falls in the short composition writing skill. So it must adhere to the word limit of 50 words. There are different categories of the posters. You can be asked to prepare anyone in your examination. Let's know about their categories. It can be educational, cultural, sports, social, environment, health, women empowerment, country, function, fair, seminars or workshops. In the educational poster, you can be asked to draft the poster announcing for the start of admission to your school, or it can be regarding the celebration of the book fair in your school. In cultural, it can be about any festival celebration like Diwali Mela. And in sports, it can be about your annual day celebration. And in social category, you can be asked to prepare the poster on criticizing some social evil like illiteracy, etc. And for environment, it can be about tree plantation or the celebration of the World Environmental Day. In health category, you can be asked to prepare the poster on the topics like social distancing during the COVID-19 or the other precautions the citizens they have to take. Health category, you can be asked to prepare the poster regarding the precaution of any disease, just like in the present time it can be about the social distancing and the other measures which you have to take during COVID-19 pandemic. Similarly, the other categories which can be included in the poster designing, it can be about Save Girl Child, education for all, right to vote, any function celebration, or the conduction of seminar or workshop in your school or in your city. So any category out of this given list can be given to you for poster designing. Now have a look at the format of the poster designing. First of all, your poster must contain the box, just like you prepare the box for notice writing or the message writing. It must be there in the box, otherwise you will lose your marks. Second point is to mention clearly the theme, that means the topic of your poster. So it must be highlighted by writing in the bold letters. Next point is to give the description about the topic. That means you have to add some slogan, taglines, jingles to make it creative. Must add 2 phrases or the slogans along with the description part. So for your help, I have given some ideas along with this video. Must watch. Another point is to provide the essential detail of the event or the product. If it is some event, which sort of the event is going to be conducted, give detail. Whether it is annual function, then along with give the date, timing and the venue. Must include the special attraction of your product, just like mention its quality, its durability, its discount if you want to offer, along with give the full address where the product can be collected in the city. Show your creativity and impress the readers. It should be framed in this way. And the last point is to provide the name of the issuing authority so that you will pick from your question. Must remember that the word limit for the poster designing is 50 words. Let's understand the distribution of marks for the poster designing, as it falls under the short composition writing skills. So the poster designing contains 4 marks. The breakup of these marks is as follows. The format of the poster is of 1 mark, which includes the main title and the name of the issuing authority, which would be given in the question. Write the same name at the bottom side of your poster. One more thing must remember in your formatting, that is, your poster must contain the box. Always create the box and present your poster, otherwise your marks can be deducted, so be careful. After formatting of the posters, the next thing matters is the content part of your poster. That contains 2 marks. It includes the language and the main points of your content. The selection of the words should be simple and quite understandable by the audience. After formatting and content, the expression and creativity of your poster is also checked. It's of 1 mark. Here, grammatical accuracy and the spellings are also checked. Try to use suitable phrases, slogans and persuasive language, and show your creativity in terms of the content. Must write everything in sequence and observe the word limit, that is usually 50 words for this. So keep in mind all the points of formatting, content, expression and creativity of your poster. So definitely you will get full marks in the poster designing. Here is the list of slogans jingles, and taglines which you can use for your help in the poster designing. If you're creating poster for learning or educational purpose, you can use the tagline like want to learn or want to speak. Let's go. You want to highlight the ill effects or some bad habits, so you can use the taglines like say no to, if it is for plastic, right, say no to plastics, and for ragging, if it is, right, say no to ragging, say no to drugs, and say no to smoking. So likewise, use the taglines. For saving water, so simply you can write the tagline like save water, save lives. And for protection of the girl child, save girl child, save humanity. Designing poster for environment or for cleanliness drive, you can simply write clean city, green city, clean India, green India. Creating awareness regarding some social evil. So in such posters, you can simply use the line stop child labor, stop smoking, stop corruption. For promotion of blood donation, simply you can use the slogan like donate blood, save lives. The promotion of any fair, festival or the carnival, so you can use the taglines and the slogans like food and fun, unlimited, promising a lot of fun, come one, come on. So whatever is suitable, use it, or otherwise you can invent your own. Putting the poster on traffic rules, you can write drive slow, long to go, or be obedient, be safe. However, for the promotion of some shop or product, so you can use the tagline one of the biggest sale, one of the biggest shop in the city or in the country. However, keep in mind your poster must be impressive. So use any slogan and tagline at your suitability. Otherwise, create your own. But must remember, your poster should be eye-catching. It should be visible even from the long distance. Actor, jingles, slogans, and the taglines make the products very easily popular. Just like everyone remember the tagline of Amul butter, that is Amul, the taste of India. So you should also select such tagline for the promotion of your product in your poster designing. Now have a look at the sample poster. So this one is about the pollution problem. Here the tagline a threat to mankind is used. Along with two slogans are given, come together, cure together, and secondly stop, think and act. Along with attraction is creating by giving detailing about causes and effects of this problem. Along with the relevant images were created to make it more appealing. At the bottom, the issuing authority's name is given, that is Environment Awareness Club. Must remember two more points while creating the poster, that is always use black and blue pen. Never use pencil for designing the poster, otherwise you would lose your marks. And secondly, your poster must be inside the box, just like you create for notice or message writing. Now next example, this is to create awareness about the ill effects of alcohol. So first of all, the main theme, it is given in the bold letters here. See this one, say no to alcohol, say it now. Along with two taglines are given at the bottom. See the first one, join de-addiction camp today. Second, regain health control and happiness. Along with some more information is provided to enlighten the people about the ill effects of consuming the alcohol. Along with two images are also used here to create the visual appeal in the poster. At the bottom, again the helpline number and issuing authority's name is given. And again must watch. So this whole poster is created within the box. Here are few more examples of posters on environment and social issues. So this one is about cleanliness drive. Again main theme is highlighted and some attractions are given in the form of taglines and essential details are also provided. And again at the bottom the issuing authority name is given. Next is about the harmful effects of fireworks and crackers. One is highlighting the importance of the books. Again, the same format and the same rules. Next is about the celebration of Diwali, Mela, as it is an event along with mentioning the theme and content in expression. You must have to include the essential details like date, time, and venue of the event conduction. So here the same is used. This is another example of event conduction. Follow the same format here. I hope you have well understood this explanation and you are surely going to score full marks in this skill too. Thank you very much for watching the video.